chair, on the table.
Okay. Here's Daddy, and he's gonna eat some duck eggs.
Well, Grandpa bought them. They are preserved duck eggs. That's how they look. The ingredients are duck eggs, salt, and lye. And they sell these all the time in the Asian markets. So we wanted to see what all the fuss was about. Ooh, nicely packaged. No smell. Individually wrapped. Presentation is good so far.
If you hold it in your hand, but if you hold it like this, it can't vibrate.
Hard.
It has to vibrate. That's what makes the noise when they use this.
How hard?
Are they still in the shell?
Yes. We go get me a bag.
Are you gonna borrow?
Well, I need to peel it.
I did one round.
You're holding.
That was hard.
Daddy, please don't eat it until I come back. I need to go to the What is it?
It's black.
Oh,
Can I look?
Smells like a dirty diaper.
Oh, I'm not smelling it.
I died. Daddy said it smells like dirty diaper.
Now we asked the lady at the market. What's it smell like, honey?
Stinky cheese plus ammonia.
The lady at the Asian market said she loved these.
What did she say they tasted like?
I don't know. She didn't say. She just said.
Maybe they're just jokey good. They say that, and they say it too.
Like these are all just a joke to trick white people into eating this crazy food.
Like, oh yeah, we love it. Oh boy.
That is black. Oh, that's weird. Look, you can see where it shines through. It's kind of jellied.
It's gelatinous.
You
Well-
can wash that. It's just got some shell on it.
You have
Nice.
stinky if you do.
I'll wash it.
Stinky if you do.
I love
You need a lot of stuff.
your head.
I think I dropped. I dropped that too. Like, even fried crickets doesn't seem that bad.
Could you grab me a plate?
Dad, you always made me die from you bumping me.
I'm very sorry, baby.
Do it. You might want to slice it. Slice it first, Daddy.
Yeah, slice it up and we'll see what it looks like on the inside.
Oh.
Don't hurt the duck inside.
Yummy.
Oh.
Okay, well you're done. You're not gonna be able to get any more out of there.
It's just like the picture.
I can't.
Exactly like the picture.
Yelling.
Oh boy, that I'm not.
Try a bite without first.
How about you try bite without? And I will try it
Open
with.
wide. Open wide. Okay.
If I don't puke, I will try some without.
Oh.
I don't know. I mean, if you smelled like really stinky cheese, if you smell brie, you would say like, oh, too. So.
Is it good, Dada?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, down.
What does it taste like?
What does it feel like?
It's gelatinous.
Is it crunchy inside?
No?
I can't
Rubbery?
smell it.
I don't smell
A
it.
little bit, but it tastes like a hard-boiled egg.
Disappointing.
It's good.
No, it isn't. You'll never.
All right, Gary. Do you want some with the sauce or
I'll
without?
do it without the sauce.
I think you're not sleeping with me tonight.
That's like, If you didn't see the color,
And plugged your nose.
I plugged your nose.
it's actually got a really good like a deep flavor to like a.
Died.
Got to chew forever, but
Yeah.
Can I have one?
Oh my goodness.
Daddy, can I have one?
That would be funnier if you had thrown up.
You can taste a little bit of the lye. It's better with the sriracha sauce.
Not bad, but I don't think I'd go buy it. Other than, it's my
I don't know. Make
Not
a
right now,
face.
Joy. Tomorrow I'm gonna cut them up for people, and they'll all be able to taste them.
Where are these from?
Dada. Yummy.
Hey, I
Well, nobody threw up.
it was an experience. Yes, Evie. All right, so that concludes this month's nasty food challenge, and it turned out to be not that nasty. So definitely, you don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a blackened egg that's been buried with lye.
Eat another one.
It's a product of China, actually.
It is, but it has
Yeah,
Thai.
I think that's Vietnamese though.
Okay.
You try.
Goodbye, Evie. You can make your funny face now.
What was the